Okay guys, we're getting to branding costs. As you know, branding is one of my best subjects, so we're gonna get into this a lot in the future, but let's talk about branding in regards to startup costs. When you're first starting, graphic design is likely an area you want to invest in order to create branding and imagery. Unless you yourself have Adobe skills, you will need to outsource this task. You can search online for freelance graphic designers who can provide more personalized experience, or you can research helpful apps and marketplaces that are probably a little more cost efficient. But don't forget that we often get what we pay for, okay? I know that in the beginning you don't have unlimited funds and we need to prioritize, but sometimes investing in this from the start is your best bet. Regardless, do your research and assess what these overall costs will look like as a line item in your budget. I suggest researching apps like Fiverr, Splice, Afterlight. There are marketplaces and editing apps to start outsourcing graphics and for content creation and manipulation. Eventually, you want to position yourself in a way that represents your brand extremely professionally and to act quickly. So as soon as you've created a new lead, you want to follow up immediately with a deck, a media kit, and everything. So that doesn't only mean a logo and a business card. You need branded letterhead, invoices, menus, decks, social media templates, media kits, etc. The list is endless. Trust me, I'm still developing them, and you know me, I have so many already.